yung neighbor namin nagbigay sila. Kaya guys, this is the dates with sesame seeds. Oh, there's a lot of dates. There's a lot of different. This is sesame. A lot. Very nice. This is the dates. Yeah, this is that. Oh, very nice. There's a lot of different cheese. Egyptian, Turkish, love natura. Cheese. And this is French pita sheep cheese, Murat Bey Helek cheese, Where you going? We are still here inside the grocery, rounding. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing also. So